Hi Tom! What a beautiful evening to build an excavator. Let's dive right into Fusion 360 again. Here's where we left off a week ago, and I thought we would do these linkage parts and then we'll save the bucket for later. Oh, I almost forgot. I have been printing. So, I did have some issues with my printer, so I got a small clog at the end. It's been fixed, but I'm not printing another one until I see that everything fits and works. So, something like this. I've got the whole boom too. It's getting quite large, something like this, more or less. Well, let's make some clearance. So we will do an offset plane to get some space between the linkage and the arm, and then we'll do a sketch. Judging by the shadows, something like that. It's big. Let's do 20. Let's somewhere around here. Why not do a line? Like that. And mirror it around that one. Well, that wasn't too hard. Let's see if we can do it for... And then we'll do the linkage that goes down to the bucket. Do another on that plane. Let's bring in the canvas. Move it down here. Just draw some lines to help me out. And then we can do one from there to there. We'll extrude this, and there's this, minus 38. I should bring in this one and this one too on the bucket end. And then we will extrude this one and this one, minus 15. This one and this one, with an offset, minus 23, minus 15. Let's edit that. Get rid of these. -15 and -8. Okay. Okay, so not this one, and not this. Let's do these also 3. Let's do the outer. Just to round off the edges a bit. Am I allowed? We can bring in the links. Let's round off the edges on the other links too. Or maybe 1. So, there you have it. The next part will be the bucket. It's linked up here. Or maybe it's here. Oh, I'll put it there, I think. There. Bucket. Next video. So if you like where this is going, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free for you, but means a whole lot to me. And I'll see you later.